You've been thinking about living healthier, but not sure how to start. The good news? You don't need to spend a lot on a chef or trainer. It's all about small changes, adding up each day. Okay, so from the moment of our birth, we begin the aging process. Continuous exposure to environmental factors, dietary choices, and internal and external stressors contribute to this natural progression. Aging is a complex phenomenon, but scientists are making strides in understanding its cellular and molecular mechanisms. Here are some tips to improve your health. Tip number 1. You can improve your well-being by simply taking a 30-minute walk every day. Not only does it reduce stress and lower the amount of cortisol in your blood, but it can also aid in weight loss. If you walk outdoors, the benefits multiply. Experts from esteemed universities have researched the effects of being outside and found it leads to increased happiness, cooperation, intelligence, and better memory retention. Tip number 2. You could opt to spend a significant amount of money on a highly trained nutritionist advising you on what to avoid eating. Or you could opt for simple yet effective changes, such as eliminating one unhealthy snack each week and replacing it with a healthier option like leafy greens, vegetables, fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, sprouts, and nutritious oils. By consistently making these adjustments each week by the end of just 1 year, you will have completely transformed your diet. Tip number 3. One of the key factors in our overall well-being is our mental health. We're quick to cut out sugar if we need to fit into a dress for a special occasion. But how often do we consider our daily happiness? What if you could feel amazing every day just by tweaking the chemicals in your brain? It's not as difficult as it sounds. By incorporating foods and lifestyle choices that boost natural happiness hormones like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, you can feel like $1,000,000 every day. That means indulging in dark chocolate, laughing as much as possible, and adding probiotics to your gut to ensure that every day feels like a good day. Tip number 4. Hydration is key, yet a staggering 75% of Americans suffer from chronic dehydration. It's time to rethink your water intake. According to Harvard University, experts recommend 11 to 16 cups daily. Water isn't just for quenching thirst. It's essential for joint lubrication, nutrient delivery, organ efficiency, infection prevention, and temperature regulation. A refreshing glass on a hot day is heavenly, and the benefits extend to improved sleep, cognition, and mood. Now, let's dive into nutrition and supplements. Tip number 5. Sure, we all know the basics of eating our greens and steering clear of fast food chains, but when it comes to optimal nutrition, there's a whole world beyond that. While healthy food choices are generally beneficial, it's essential to recognize that individual needs can vary. A simple blood test can provide insights into your unique nutrient levels, highlighting areas where adjustments may be needed. Sadly, many Americans fall short in essential nutrients like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and D. Let's zoom in on vitamin D, a critical nutrient with widespread deficiencies. Studies indicate that a staggering 41.6% of Americans lack sufficient levels of this vitamin, putting them at risk of various health issues. From disease prevention to overall well-being, vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. So, before you underestimate the power of personalized nutrition, consider the profound impact it can have on your health and vitality. Tip number 6. Sleep is often underestimated, yet its impact on health is profound. Shockingly, 1 in 3 adults falls short of the recommended 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye per night, according to the CDC. Consistently skimping on sleep can wreak havoc on your well-being, potentially leading to a cascade of health issues. From obesity and diabetes to high blood pressure and heart disease, the consequences are severe. We've all experienced the misery of a sleepless night, struggling to function the next day. It's a stark reminder of how crucial quality sleep is for our overall health and vitality. So, prioritize your precious time to safeguard your well-being and thrive each day. How these 6 basic nutrients affect your body. Water. Water is essential for survival. Even if you decide to skip meals and go on a diet, You can't go without water. Every organ in your body relies on water to function properly. It helps your brain work better and eliminates toxins from your body. Water keeps your cells hydrated and aids in digestion. If you don't drink enough water regularly, you might experience constipation. Dehydration can affect both your mental and physical performance, leaving you feeling tired and unable to concentrate. So make sure to drink enough water every day to keep your body happy and healthy. Vitamins. The main role of these nutrients is to keep diseases at bay and maintain overall health. Without an adequate supply of vitamins, your body would struggle to fend off microorganisms. While there are approximately 13 essential vitamins your body needs, 4 of them stand out as crucial: vitamin A, B6, C, and D. These vitamins play vital roles in various bodily functions. Not getting enough of these vitamins can lead to problems. For instance, a deficiency in vitamin B6 can cause uncontrollable lowering of blood pressure. Similarly, lacking other vitamins may result in skin issues, vision problems, and weakness. On the flip side, having sufficient vitamins in your system boosts your immune system and reduces the risk of lung or prostate cancer. So, ensure you're getting your daily dose of these essential nutrients for a healthier, happier you. Protein. Protein is the talk of the town when it comes to nutrients. Visit any nutritionist and they'll bombard you with recommendations for protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, and certain grains. But why all the fuss about protein? Well, it's the ultimate building block of your body, not just for muscles, but for everything from bones and skin to hair and even your body's cells. Protein makes up a whopping 16% of the average human's body weight. Even your hormones and antibodies rely on proteins. In short, life without this nutrient would be a tough gig. So make sure you're getting your daily fix of this essential nutrient for a healthier you. Fat. The nutrient we often try to steer clear of fat. But hold on a minute, maybe we shouldn't avoid it so vigorously after all. Sure, too much fat can spell trouble for our blood pressure, heart, and digestive and respiratory systems. But here's the twist. Fats aren't all bad. According to research from Harvard Medical School, fats aid in the absorption of other nutrients and are crucial for building cells. Plus, they even help improve muscle movement. So, while you might be wary of fats due to their calorie content, it might just be better to consume them and burn those calories instead. It's all about finding that balance. Minerals. When it comes to minerals, calcium, iron, and zinc are the MVPs. Calcium builds strong bones and helps nerve signals. Zinc boosts healing, metabolism, and immunity. Iron creates red blood cells and aids hormone production. Together, they keep your body strong, healthy, and functioning at its best. Carbohydrates. Despite the low-carb trend, carbohydrates remain vital for our bodies. They fuel both the brain and central nervous system, essential for optimal function. While moderation is key, don't overlook carbs entirely. Including a healthy amount in your diet ensures a balanced and vibrant lifestyle. That's all for this video.